How to play games on Snapchat. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your Play Store or an App Store. Once you are in here, in the source bar, search for Snapchat. Move into this app. Right here, you have to make sure that this application is up to date. Now the next thing you want to do is to open the application Snapchat. Swipe right and head over to your chat section. Now move into the inbox of the person that you want to play the game with. Let's say I want to play the game with this person. Right above the keyboard, you'll get to see this emoji icon. Click on it. So in this section, you should see the option where it says games. But right now you can see there is no any option. It's because the Snapchat support has removed the game feature in this app. So if you really want to play the game, what you want to do is, first of all delete this application, and then you have to download the older version of Snapchat. Once you have the older version, you will definitely have the option where you can play the game, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can play games on Snapchat. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.